Hello everyone, in this video we will learn some useful synonyms that you can use in all your 4 modules of IELTS exam. These are very helpful in IELTS writing, especially in task 2. Let's have a look at these synonyms. If you use these synonyms in your task 2, you will definitely get a higher band score. So let's have a look. First, the word people can be replaced with individuals, humans, citizens, mankind, humankind. Next, advantage word can be replaced with benefit, convenience, privilege, amenity. And like this, disadvantage can be used as drawback, downside, trouble, impediment. Next, important, writing instead important, you can write as significant, paramount, vital, pressing, crucial. And using students word repeatedly, you can use learners, trainees, pupils, schoolboys and schoolgirls. Essays based on teachers can include words such as educators, tutors, and famous word can be used as well-known, renowned, eminent, prominent, distinguished. The word logical can be replaced with analytical, coherent, rational, insightful, and thorough. Traditional word can be used as conventional, customary, classical, stereotyped, and ritual. Next, brief word can be replaced with concise, compressed, compact, summary. And begin word can be replaced with initiate, commence, inaugurate, undertake, instigate. Solution word can be replaced with formula, remedy, resolution, way out. Hope you are understanding these words. Next, the word show can be replaced with exhibition, demonstration, display, presentation. The word views can be replaced with opinions, notions, beliefs, ideas, and concepts. Migrating word can be replaced with shifting, moving, relocating, departing, and similarly information can be replaced with data, figures, and facts. So thanks for watching this video. Hope these synonyms are very helpful for you, and for more videos please like and subscribe the channel. Thank you everyone. Thanks for watching.